I think it's important for Hornady to have reloading tools because it really goes back to how we started as a company. You know, Joyce Hornady was an avid reloader and was a varmint shooter and needed really accurate bullets, and he was a hand loader himself. And that's, you know, really why we got into factory ammunition, was not everybody's going to hand load. Well, really accurate bullets and hand loading really go hand in hand.
Well, Hornady was still a reloaders company. So their primary business was component bullets. So it was also natural expansion to go into reloading. So in 1971, they acquired Pacific Tool and Die and Western Sales. And at that time, the old Pacific dies and reloading presses were blue. Well, that's changed. As you look around, you'll see that today they're Hornady red.
Bullets are the key to our brand. And we make a lot of bullets in a lot of different sizes and weights and a lot of calibers that only appeal to a hand loader. You're never going to have every single .30 caliber bullet that we make on the shelf in some round of ammo. Just not going to happen. But there is an application for the hand loader out there, and a tremendous amount of innovation in this industry, or not just innovation, but information that is developed and flows through to the marketplace that people start to talk about, or whatever comes from those hand loaders that are experimented. That's what they are, they're experimenters.
There's something really enjoyable about the hobby of reloading. You know, some people can approach it as work and labor, and this is something I have to do. But for a lot of us, reloading is more than that. It's cathartic, it's enjoyable, and it's something that we look forward to and that we enjoy. And when you have Hornady Manufacturing, you know, one of the pillars of our company is innovation. And we not only continue to innovate on the bullet and the cartridge side, but also with our reloading tools.
Over the years, Hornady has continued to innovate with reloading tools of all types, great and small, and so the Hornady reloading tools are absolutely fantastic. They make a complete line of reloading tools, dies for virtually any caliber that you can think of, and it's a natural.
So hand loading is very important to us. It always has been. We keep tweaking with our reloading tools, adding a little feature. We just got a new, we call it the clicker, seating stem adjuster, so that you can move that seating depth by 1/1000th of an inch. Basically is a micrometer built into there. We introduced that iron press a couple of years ago that has got a number of features makes it easier to hand load, and how primers are fed. Our lock and load AP is a really good middle of the road reloading press for progressive presses. It's not going to be the fastest. There's others out there that are significantly more expensive that have got a lot more capability, and there's some out there that are a lot less expensive that don't have as much.
Where we stand today, Hornady Manufacturing really has a reloading tool for everybody, whether that be somebody that's a novice and just getting into this hobby, or a seasoned reloader that's been at it for decades. You know, from the press standpoint, we've got some of the most iconic single-stage presses on the market. We have full progressive presses with our lock and load AP. So whether you're reloading for precision or small volume, or you're reloading high volume, say pistol cartridges, for example, we have a press to do it. And then we complement those presses with reloading dies in every conceivable cartridge that you could imagine, shell holders, really high quality scales, powder dispensers, all of the auxiliary tools like trimmers, for example, that you need to get the job done. And to top it all off, we still have a custom shop where you can call our custom shop and get a set of reloading dies made to your chamber and your specifications.